So much undecided over there. What is the smart money doing about Europe? We are about to find out. Bjorn Tuypens is here. He's managing principal and chief investment officer of Platinum Grove Asset Management, a firm that invests primarily in sovereign debt. Bjorn is long German bonds. He's also got some options on Italian bonds. Bjorn, welcome. Why long Germany heading into this weekend?
Well, Germany, to some extent, is now, I'd say, being punished to some extent. They're assumed that they're going to bail out most of the other peripheral countries. And I think the disappointment after the summit could be that Germany turns out not to be in any position constitutionally.
You really think you could? I mean, there's the German 10 years are only trading at a 2% yield. Do you think there could be a meaningful move lower in that yield? You could make some money on German bonds in the next few days?
Yeah, there could be a flight to quality after the summit when people realize that in terms of accomplishment, nothing much has been decided, and therefore that we could have that flight to quality, yes.
Well, just wondering about the market action that we've been seeing in the last few days. It's been wild. It seems like investors just want some sort of whiff of a deal. They don't care about what it is, what the quality of the deal is.
That's right. I think everybody in the markets is pretty tired of this back and forth between Germany and France and the other peripheral countries. So people are hoping for a deal, but the problem is that the problem is really big, and it's not easy for Germany or anybody else to commit a whole lot of money to it. I mean, Germany is prohibited from their constitutional court to spend more than X amount of money.
Bjorn, you're a relative value guy. If you're long Germany, why aren't you short something else? Why aren't you short Greece, Spain, Portugal, Italy, whatever?
Well, in general, for example, Italy, we know at 6% the ECB put a line in the sand. They came in this morning buying aggressively Italian bonds to put them back below 6% in 10 years.
So the distorting influence of the ECB makes it difficult to be a true relative value man in Europe?
Well, you have to choose your ranges.
You don't want to fight the ECB, I guess.
That's right. At 6% you start buying because you know the ECB put the line in the sand there. And for the time being, that seems to hold.
So is your basic take that you're staying away from everywhere in Europe except for Germany?
Well, we want to stay as liquid as possible, and for the time being, we think that Germany is the place to be. But that being said, we trade back and forth. Say, for example, Italian bonds at 6% we were buying yesterday.
I see.
All right. And we're seeing that 6% this morning, that level on Italy. So it goes down from there, I guess, is your take.
Well, I hope so for Italy, yes.
All right, Bjorn, good to see you. Thank you for coming. Bjorn Tuypens of Platinum Grove Asset Management here on the Inside Track.